Okay, family. So I was actually getting ready to go to bed and I thought about it. I said, well, you know what? I think I know how I can put these up there and make that look a little bit better. And as you can see, I did. Still haven't gotten my curtains for the that was getting ready, that's gonna outline that, right. Let me get my finger out there. That side right there and that side right there. But like I said, I was at the Restore earlier today and I found those little ends up there. It was like $2 uh, for the two of them, so $1 a piece, whatever. Um, and I guess originally they supposed to go on like a fence or something like that, but I seen them. I said, you know what? Those would be some nice little caps for the ends of my homemade curtain rods. I think I might end up painting them later. Uh, I don't know. They kind of match my ceiling fan brown up there. So I don't know. Might leave them alone. Who knows? But anywho, so I seen them and I found them. I figured out how to put them up there. Uh, I don't know if you can tell that all that's homemade or not. At least not from this point of view. I don't think you can. But you see that one over there still hasn't been done. Up here is a real curtain rod that yeah. So they got the lens on it down there. I need to vacuum that look like. But yeah. So just wanted to shoot a quick little video, show you how I did it. So I'll pick it up in just a minute. Okay, so what I did was I just simply grabbed the scissors, cut to open them. That's really all I was gonna do was just open them. And then I was looking at the way they were made. Hold on. Okay, so this is one of those accidentally discovered things. I was looking at the way these are made here. Let's see if I can open this real quick. Pull one out. Anyway. Okay, so I just cut it. I just was cutting it open so I could see what these look like. Alright, so this is all it look like, right? So it's just this, and it has a hole in it like that. Alright, so I'm like, well, maybe I can use a piece of styrofoam or something. Put it in there, a small piece of styrofoam, put it in there, put another piece of styrofoam in here. And I was like, yeah, but then I'd have to paint it black or paint it white or paint it, do something in order to make it match. I was like, nah, I don't really want to do that. And so I figured, I said, well, what about this? What about this? What if I just folded this? Nah, that's green, that ain't gonna work. So I said, well, wait a minute. What about this? I just simply fold it. I said, that looks like that might be about wide enough. So it's flexible. It's stiff enough, rather, to where should be able to fit in there and keep that straight and also fit in there. So, simple. Try to do this all with one hand. Hope I don't mess my thing up this time. But let's see. Well, y'all get the drift. All I did was cut it. So I'm gonna cut it. Alright, so I just cut it. Said, oh, I think that'll work. Fold this in half here. So I folded and I was gonna put this in and this one first. But I said, nah, that flex is easier, so we gotta go in here. So what I did was, alright, y'all. This is some tricky camera stuff here. Got in there like that. Okay. If I can hold the camera the other way, it might be easier. But then that'll give you that bar across that way. So Okay, so shove it in like that, shove that in like that, voila. Now you can see that from here, but the further you go back, and the further you go back, it just looks like that just sits up there. All right, so that's all I did. Just wanted to give a quick video, show you how added a few little more decorations to our curtain rod. All right, you can paint that if you wanted to match whatever you wanted to match. But so, anywho, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Leave a comment below. If sorry, messy table. Like I said, I was getting ready to go to bed. So, good night.